Good morning. All right, I'm so excited for you today. Miss Fleming is here with you to help guide you through your extreme setting illustration. Miss Humphrey was telling me about how you were finishing up your extreme setting unit and that you were creating a story and an extreme mountain setting, that each of you will have your own extreme mountain setting. In that setting, you're going to need to talk about the water and the animals and what the trees are like and all of that. So today we are starting creating our own illustration for your extreme mountain setting story. You'll have the large white paper. Please use your pencil first. Don't forget to put your name on it, of course. Use your pencil first to sketch it out. Remember, sketching is light, so you can erase. There's the big white erasers to erase. Once you're done with that, you can Sharpie anything you want. And then let's talk about your materials that you can use, the medium in which you will have. Use the crayons. Use the colored pencils. If you want to use your oil pastels or the color sticks, go right ahead. You have those choices. My expectations for today are that you've sketched it out and maybe that you've begun to Sharpie and maybe you've started coloring. We're not finishing this today because quality work means you really have to take a little bit of time to think about your story and what is in your story that you need to put in your illustration about your story. What information is in there that you need to show in this illustration or picture form. Take your time and think about it. You can talk at a level 1, 0, no, means that we're not talking at all, and you have that choice, of course, or a level 1, which is a whisper. I can't feel it. It's a whisper. You can do this. I'm going to leave the next slide on, which is a picture of all sorts of different mountains and that you can look at, but I also know that you've got your story in your head and that will help you. We'll finish these pieces during learning extensions next week and I can't wait to see them. Remember, you're going to give them to Miss Fleming before you leave, and your name will be on the back so that we know whose is whose. And I can't wait to share these with Miss Humphrey as well. Have a great day. Bye-bye.